This Calabrian-style spicy chicken will lift your barbecues to legendary status this summer, and it is so simple to make. So light the grill and prepare to make this delicious fiery recipe using a few of our not-so-humble ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add the chili flakes, garlic, oregano, paprika, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, followed by the star of the show, the Napolina Sundried tomato and chili olive oil, and mix together well. Then add in the chicken breast and coat in the marinade, then set aside for an hour. Next, add the cooked Napolina Orzo into a mixing bowl, followed by the Napolina roasted garlic and herb olive oil, cherry tomatoes, red onion, parsley, basil, cucumber and lemon juice. Then sizzle with salt and pepper to taste and mix together well. After the chicken has marinated, fire up the grill and barbecue over a medium to high heat for 5 minutes on each side until cooked through. Then take off the heat and slice into strips. Then plate up the orzo salad and top with a sliced Calabrian-style chicken and enjoy this delicious dish all summer long. Buon appetito!